Hello everyone, welcome to Amy Talks Work. Now let's talk about work honestly. In the last episode, we talked about how AI has been used in hiring, and today I want to talk about something different, some of the biggest myths about AI. Because many job seekers misunderstood what these systems usually do. Myth number 1, AI automatically rejects your resume. That's probably the most common misunderstanding about AI. People usually think AI scans through the resume and decides that you are not a good fit. That's not actually how it happens. Most organizations use applicant tracking system, ATS, to store and organize resumes. These systems allow recruiters to search resumes based on experiences, based on keywords, their skills, etc. And then these recruiters still review the candidates that show up in those searches. But to be fair, some people still get rejection letters almost immediately after applying, like what I experienced a few years ago. This can happen because large organizations sometimes use automated screening rules in the hiring system. For example, some work require work authorization in that country or a specific requirement. Then this system will automatically filter out those candidates who don't meet those requirements. So yes, automation can reject applications, but it's usually based on predefined rules, not the powerful AI just screening your resume and decide you are not a good fit. Myth number 2, AI is the biggest reason people don't get interviews. This is another common misunderstanding about AI. The main reason that candidates don't hear back from employers is competition. Job postings nowadays will receive very large number of applications every day. So the research has shown that each job posting on average receive over 250 applications. The highest number I've actually seen is over 3,000 applications in that one posting. It's a very famous entertainment company. So even if your resume is good, recruiters may simply hasn't even read your resume because they only look at the resumes who applied the earliest, or they will just look at the candidates who match the requirements the closest. So what does that mean for job seekers? First of all, clarity in your resume. Don't need to get fancy or over creative about the design of the resume. I saw some resumes even have timelines. No need. You need to list out your responsibilities and achievements clearly in one page. Some people have like 2 or 3 or 4 pages. No need everything in one page because recruiters don't have that much time to read every single thing on your resume. Second, don't rely on mass applications. You need to customize your resume to every single application. You need to have a keywords match, and sometimes you even need a cover letter. So don't do mass application. Third, and most importantly, human connections still matter. Build connections or referrals whenever possible because AI improves efficiency, but it does not replace trust. So for example, you need to go to events, you need to reach out to people in that company as well to potentially get a referral, or sometimes you even get people to just hand over your resume to the hiring manager or to the HR directly. That will improve your chances dramatically. That's all for today. In the next episode, we'll look at how recruiters actually screen resumes in the first few seconds. See you next time. Bye-bye.